Hi, everybody. Welcome. Today, I wanted to look into the psychology of social media and what are the effects of its implications on human behavior. How do these platforms influence our behavior, our thoughts, and emotions on a daily basis? Social media platforms are designed and structured to trigger the brain reward system. These quick rewards mostly come in the form of likes, comments, and notifications. These can actually be compared to alarm bells that constantly excite our brain and lead to addictive behaviors. We cannot get enough of these bells, and we actually crave for them. Being exposed to the perfect or sensational life of others immediately triggers a look into our own. Sometimes it can lead to jealousy or depression. I guess this constitutes human psychology of the good, the bad, and the ugly. The fear of missing out is always present as we want to make sure we never miss out on something that might be relevant to one's life. We have to remain constantly connected in order to not to be excluded. It is simply a race against time that can result in behavioral changes which can lead to feelings of anxiety and depression. One has to realize that when you are in that state of mind, you need to extract yourself and fall back into sanity. The long hours spent on social media will distort the perception of times. Hours might resemble minutes and vice versa. Simply, we lose track of time, and within this process, we'll lose a little bit of ourselves. Thankfully, not too much. On the positive side, however, social media has shaken the world to its core by creating virtual connection, and the best part of it that I really like is free of charge. It offers space for everyone, where they can express themselves. Social media is the voice and the representation of the people of the planet Earth. These are the main lines of my thoughts today on this particular subject. I hope they can help you in any way, shape, or form. In any case, I've enjoyed talking to you, and until we meet next time, thank you for your participation.